Looking for used engines for sale? Try Used Engine Finder. We represent a large network of junkyards in the USA. With just one online form submission, you contact multiple salvage yards. Once they reply with pricing and availability, you may choose the best quote. This allows you to find the best priced used engine. Whether you own a car or pickup or need a diesel engine or gasoline engine, you will find the engine you need. Know what you need? Or don't have a clue? Either way, you will deal directly with our professional engine suppliers. Their competent sales staff are always ready to respond to your questions. Their top priority is you, whilst keeping their company at a higher standard of business practices. Click the link in the description below to visit our website. Then, complete the online form and await the replies from our junkyard network. Find quality used engines for sale from Engine Finder.